This is Ballet Level 4, Piques with Degages. Preparation, arm in second, pique, 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 fondue, pique, 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 fondue, side, and 3 jetés. Pique, 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 fondue front, fondue back, fondues to the side, 3 jetés, 3 dégages en croix, back with arms, fondue pique forward into the 5th, find the balance, détourné holding, and demi-plie, allongé, ready for the left side. And preparation to the left. Pique, 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 fondue, pique, 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 fondue, side, 5th, 5th, 5th. Up, 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 fondue, up, up, up. Accent is up in those piques. And 3 pas manchetés en croix with arms. Développé into the pique 5th, finding that balance. Arms in 5th as we détourné into the barre. And demi-plie, allongé. Finish with the arms in preparatory position. This is the breakdown for the pique and dégagé exercise for Ballet Level 4. We begin in 5th position with the arm en bas, preparation, 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, and arm to 2nd position, holding that body nice and straight. We teach the piques by showing that leg coming out nice and sharply into a dégagé and tapping the floor. Now the foot is going to tap the floor and bounce to the side like a bouncing ball. So the accent will be up, and pique up to the side, and pique up to the back, and pique up into the fondue. Always making sure that the accent of the pique is up and not down. And reverse pique up, pique up, pique up into the fondue with both knees nice and turned out. Now we pique side, fondue back, pique side, fondue front, jeté 5th, and a 5th, and a 5th, and we hold the 4th count. Now we reverse it, pique and up, fondue. Watching that that body does not move, and pressing as we lift, and pique and in, and accent up and bend, and closing that 5th position each time, making sure we bring that heel all the way to the other side where the toe is. Now we go jeté, 5th, 3 of them, making sure we get to that 5th position each time, and now we're using the arms, 5th, crossing it, and 5th, and 5th, and 5th to the back, making sure the leg is directly behind the back, and crossing, making sure that the student is using the inner thigh to close that 5th position. We fondue, bringing the arm, we développé, nicely turned out, no sickled feet, and we step into that 5th position, holding, nice and pulled up, arms up, and we find the balance there. Holding it and lifting before we come down into the demi-plie, allongé, and finish, and we repeat to the left. We're going to go over some helpful hints to help teach in the pique exercise, dégagé exercise that's a little bit quicker now. We start in 5th position, preparation, 4 counts, and we open. Now, piques, we take the leg extended out nice and sharp, and the leg is going to touch the floor, the foot touches with the big toe and bounces back up. In these piques, we're drawing almost like a circular motion. So the leg is going to tap the floor and open and tap and circular and drawing little circles with the toes as if it were a bouncing ball going around. So piques, the accents should be up and they go around up and up and up into the fondue. That is the correct way. Now, in these piques, students tend to bring the accent down and they forget to do that circular motion. So the incorrect way would be down, 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 in. Down, 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 in. That's the incorrect way. Once again, the correct way would be up, 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 and lots of strength and accent in that leg, fondue. And now we take it side and up and fondue and up and fondue and fifth and fifth and fifth. Once again, engaging the inner thigh in order to cross that fifth position for our jumps later on in the center. And now we take it reversed, pique and pique and pique, both knees open, and pique and pique and pique and in and up and in, up and in, and fifth and fifth and fifth. Now we're going to take 3 degages en croix. Arm goes down and up. Now in these degages, we want to make sure that we stress the fifth position, getting to that fifth every time. Students tend to leave their legs turned in and not close the fifth, so the incorrect way. And even more, many students get to this position. And again, and in, and in, and in. That is the incorrect way. We want to make sure that that toe comes all the way to that heel, and in, and then side, crossing and crossing and crossing, and not closing here, not in third position. So incorrect way, third and third and third. No, we want to make sure that we cross and use that inner thigh for our beats later on in the center. We take it to the back, heel in, heel in, heel in. That's the correct way. And now to the back, the students tend to leave their heel out also here in the close. This is the incorrect way. So we want to make sure that that heel comes in and touches the pinky toe of the standing leg, and side, fifth and fifth and fifth. We fondue, demi-plie, we extend the leg out, pointed foot, and that foot steps onto that demi-point as the hips transfer forward. That is the correct way. The incorrect way would be to just sloppily go into that pique and leaving the hips one more time, leaving the hips back. So demi-plie and the hips stay back. And we want to make sure that we step forward one more time and step forward and fifth position. This is ballet level 4, piques with degages. Preparation, arm in second, pique, 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 fondue, pique, 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 fondue, side, and 3 jetés. Pique, 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 fondue front, fondue back, fondues to the side, 3 jetés, 3 dégages en croix, back with arms, fondue pique forward into the fifth, find the balance, détourné holding, and demi-plie, allongé, ready for the left side. And preparation to the left. Pique, 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 fondue, pique, 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 fondue, side, fifth, fifth, fifth. Up, 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 fondue, up, up, up. Accent is up in those piques. And 3 pas manchetés en croix with arms. Développé into the pique fifth, finding that balance. Arms in fifth as we détourné into the barre, and demi-plie, allongé. Finish with the arms in preparatory position.